My name is Henry Carrillo Burgos and I will prepare a big healthy breakfast. So the utensils are a frying pan, a spatula, a knife, a fork, a spoon, a cup and salt, a plate, a cutting board, a kettle, and a juicer. I will show you the ingredients: salt, a little oil, some salt, some sugar, a glass of milk, some bread, 3 sausages, a bag of coffee, and oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 oranges, and 2 eggs. I am cutting the oranges in half, so I have to use 6 oranges in order to make an excellent juice. Okay. I have to squeeze the oranges. Have to cut the sausages. And a little oil. And I add the sausages. Okay, I have to mix. Then I have to add the eggs. It's a delicious breakfast. I have to add the egg. I have to add a little salt. And then I have to eat. This is my favorite breakfast. It's delicious. Boil some water in order to make coffee. I am serving the juice. This boil. Okay, I have to prepare a coffee and milk. First water. Then I have to add coffee, and I have to put in a spoon of sugar. I have to mix it. Then, this is an excellent breakfast. Okay. And finally, I have to add some milk. Okay. Okay. This is a big healthy breakfast with bread, eggs and sausages, orange juice, and a cup of coffee. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order to see another videos. Alright? Give me like to my video.